Hello. Very good evening, good afternoon, good morning, whenever you are watching this lecture. In today's class, I am going to complete three parts of the topic. First topic is amphoteric oxide. Second topic is amphiprotic species. And third topic is ambident nucleophile. First topic, I am going to start amphoteric oxides. In between that, I will dictate you oxides of elements. There are 3 to 4 oxides of elements. One is known as amphoteric oxide, one is known as acidic oxide, one is known as basic oxide. So with amphoteric oxide, I will dictate you all, so you will not get confused or nervous. And trust me, this is one of the important and easy topics. Sometimes JEE directly asking the question. The first is amphoteric oxide. Amphoteric oxide. Amphoteric oxides are those oxides which will act as a acidic oxide as well as basic oxide. Those oxides of metal which acts as acidic as well as basic oxides. Oxides of a metal that will act as a acidic oxide as well as a basic oxide, that is known as amphoteric oxides. Now, over here, I will write some example, that is zinc, tin, lead, aluminum, gallium and beryllium. Last year, 2026 questions is there on this topic. So don't say it is not that much important. Now, if you will see oxides of any one of the metal from here, suppose written ZnO or written SnO2 or written PbO2 or PbO4 or written Al2O3 or GaO or Ga2O or BeO or Be2O4, something, anything written. If that oxygen means, if oxygen is attached with zinc, tin, lead, aluminum, gallium and beryllium, so their oxides are known as amphoteric oxide. Their oxides are known as amphoteric oxide, as well as some of the metal, that short tricks I will give, that is as, fir, sub, car, vento, tera. As, fir, sub, car, vento, tera. As means arsenic acid, fir means iron, S sub means as, fir sub Sb, car means Cr, vento means vanadium and tera means tellurium. If, how many words are there? Understood the point, don't get confused. Amphoteric oxides are those oxides which will act as a metal oxide as well as acidic oxide as well as basic oxides. Amphoteric oxide, if you will see the oxides of zinc, tin, lead, aluminum, gallium and beryllium, any element, any oxygen is combined with these elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 metal, if any oxygen is combined, you will, without seeing it, you will say they are amphoteric oxide. As well as another part is as, fir, sub, car, vento, tera. As, fir, sub, car, vento, tera. As means arsenic acid, matlab arsenic, fir means Fe, sub means Sb, Sb means antimony, car means chromium, V means vanadium, tera means tellurium. Now, how many words are there? 3 words. So, arsenic with 3 plus is amphoteric oxide. How many words? 3 words. Iron with 3 plus is amphoteric oxide. Sub, how many words? 3 words. So, antimony with 3 plus is amphoteric oxide. Car, how many words? 3 words. Chromium with 3 plus is amphoteric oxide. Vanadium, how many words? 5 words. So vanadium with 5 plus is amphoteric oxide. Tellurium, how many words? 4 words. So 4 plus means what I am saying? I am saying, suppose I have written VO2. I am asking, it is amphoteric oxide, you will find x plus 2 into minus 2 is 0, x is equals to plus 4. No sir, it is not amphoteric oxide because plus 5 needed. Suppose I have written V2O5. Sir, 2x plus 5 into minus 2 is 0. X is equals to plus 5. Yes. It is amphoteric oxide. Means if zinc, tin, lead, aluminum, gallium and beryllium coming, no need to find the oxidation number. Simply you will say, sir, any element, any metal from zinc, tin, lead, aluminum, gallium and beryllium, oxygen is attached, that is amphoteric oxide. But arsenic, iron, antimony, chromium, vanadium and tellurium, fixed number of oxidation number is required. Suppose I will write CrO3. I will ask what is the oxidation state? X plus 3 into minus 2 is 0. X is equals to plus 6. Amphoteric oxide? No sir, because plus 3 needed. But suppose I will write Cr2O3. What is it is coming? 2x plus 3 into minus 2 is 0. X is equals to plus 3. Haan sir, it is amphoteric oxide. Understood the point? So it means these elements has fixed number of charge coming, oxidation number coming, then only amphoteric oxide. Previous one, charge we didn't have to find, you have to directly see they are amphoteric oxide. So I hope you understood, and they will ask in the question, how they will ask, which of the following is amphoteric oxide or not, like that they will ask. So you have to just know this. Second part, ask फिर सब कार्बन तो तेरा. First part, zinc, tin, lead, aluminum, gallium and beryllium. So I hope everyone understood the amphoteric oxide. Second part, oxides is neutral oxides. Neutral oxide. Neutral oxides are fixed number NO, N2O and CO. These three are fixed. Neutral oxides are NO, N2O and CO. NO name is nitrous oxide. N2O name is nitric oxide. And CO name is carbon monoxide or carbonyl compound. Understood the point? It means you understood that three things are neutral oxides. One is called NO, second one is called N2O and third one is called CO. That's it. Understood? The first you have understood the topic that is called amphoteric oxide. Second one, these three fixed, not more than that. Okay sir. Third one is acidic oxide. Third one is, and in this most famous is amphoteric oxide, but as I am dictating, I will dictate all acidic oxide, basic oxide. Understood the point? Next part we will have acidic oxides. What are acidic oxides? So they are saying that non-metal oxides are acidic oxide. Non-metal oxides. Oxides means non-metal attached with oxygen. Non-metal oxides are acidic oxides. Non-metal oxides are acidic oxides. Like example, CS, carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, nitrogen, chlorine, silicon, etc. Suppose I will write carbon dioxide, acidic oxide, SiO2, acidic oxide, ClO2, acidic oxide, ClO4, acidic oxide, NO2, acidic oxide. Means understood what I am trying to say. Anything coming, if that is not amphoteric, not neutral. If someone will say, sir, N2O is also acidic oxide. No, it is already coming in the example of neutral. So it is not acidic oxide either, it is a non-metal oxide. Understood? It means first check, it is not amphoteric. No sir. It is not neutral. No sir. Then that oxide of carbon will be, that oxide of non-metal will be acidic oxide. Understood the point? Everyone, any confusion? No sir, no confusion is that. Okay sir. So I hope everyone understood what is acidic oxide, what is neutral oxide. Now we are going to see next part is metalloid oxide. Metalloid oxide. What is metalloid oxide? I will tell you. Don't worry. Metalloid, you know that na, which is act as a metal, as a non-metal, both. Now metalloid oxides are, some metalloid oxides are acidic oxide. Metal oxide means again, don't get confused. Again, amphoteric oxides are those oxides which will act as acidic as well as basic. That is called amphoteric oxide. Amphoteric oxide is fixed. The oxides of zinc, iron, tin, lead, aluminum, gallium and beryllium, as well as these as फिर सब कार्बन तो तेरा, arsenic with +3 oxidation number, iron with +3, vanadium with +5, tellurium with +4, chromium with +3, antimony with +3. They are also amphoteric oxide. Neutral oxide, these three are fixed. Acidic oxides are the oxides that is made up of non-metal. Now some oxides will come like N2O. It is also made up of non-metal, but it is already neutral or amphoteric. Don't touch that. Rather than neutral and amphoteric are metallic, acidic oxide. Some metalloid oxides are, some metalloid oxides are also acidic oxide. Acidic oxide. Their trick is as सबसे तेजी, आस सबसे तेजी means arsenic. Over here don't see कि 3 तो 3 plus, no, not like that. SB, SE, TE, GE. अब suppose someone will write AS2O3, this is acidic oxide, you will say no. Why? Because 2x plus 3 into minus 2 is 0, so x is coming plus 3, and plus 3 is already arsenic, with plus 3 is already amphoteric oxide, that will not come acidic oxide. Means first check amphoteric oxide, no. Neutral oxide, no. Then other than that, arsenic, antimony, selenium, tellurium and germanium are the oxides of metal that is not amphoteric, not neutral, then it is coming acidic oxide. Understood the point? Everyone 100% sure shot? हाँ sir. So sir, what about basic oxide? That I will dictate you. Then the oxides will be completed. I hope you understood up to now. Next part is metal oxides. In that I will dictate basic oxides also. If metal oxide you have written, suppose you will get their oxidation number. Oxidation number means like that, plus 3, plus 4, like that you are getting. If you are getting oxidation number plus 1, plus 2 and plus 3, then you will say are basic oxide. Again, if they will come amphoteric, neutral, don't touch it. Amphoteric, neutral is fixed. After that something is coming, that is basic oxide or acidic oxide. So oxides with oxides with plus 1, plus 2 and plus 3 oxidation states are basic oxides. Second one, if oxidation number coming plus 4, then that is known as amphoteric oxide, like MnO2, like that. If oxidation number coming plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, that is known as acidic oxide. Over here not write MnO2, Cr2O3. And acidic oxides are plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, like Mn2O7. Means understood this point. Oxides will be done. No more topic. Means first check it is amphoteric, जिंक, टीन, लेड, अल्मोनियम, गैलियम, बेरिलियम, और आस्क फिर सब कार्बन तो तेरा, नो. एम्फोटेरिक नॉट. देन चेक दैट इज इट न्यूट्रल, नो. देन चेक कि डज इट इज आस्क सब सेलेरियम, टेलुरियम एंड गैलियम, नो. Then only you will check oxidation number, then basic. If it is coming previous one, don't do moe. Understood the point? हाँ sir, we understood it. Now after this I will dictate you the next part of the topic, that is called ambident nucleophile. What I have written first, amphiprotic species. Then I will dictate amphiprotic species. What is amphiprotic species? Before knowing the amphiprotic species, you have to be familiar with NF factor. Then it will be easy to understood. First of all, you have to know NF factor, or NF factor is also known as X factor, or it is also known as valency factor. What is NF factor? Only you have to know about acid. Remaining, no. Right now not used. Whenever it is used, I will teach you redox reaction. Over there I will dictate you. NF factor for acid is the number of ionizable H plus ions. Suppose I have written before amphiprotic species, I am dictating this because it is going to be used over there. Suppose I have written HCl, H2CO3, H2SO4, HNO3, HBr, like that I have written. And I am asking what is the NF factor. What you will say? Sir, how many hydrogen? 1, to NF factor 1. How many hydrogen? 2, to NF factor 2. How many hydrogen? 3, 2, to NF factor 1, 2. How many hydrogen? 1, to NF factor 1. How many hydrogen? 1, NF factor 1. Means how many number of hydrogen is there, that much is the NF factor for acid. Except if you will get H3PO4, how many hydrogen is there? Sir, 3. So no problem. NF factor is 3. So why it is except, I will tell you. Suppose I will write P double, there is structure OH, OH, OH. How many hydrogen that is directly attached with oxygen? That hydrogen is only ionizable. in case of H3PO4, H3PO3, H3PO2 and H3BO3. Don't worry about it. What I am saying, you will understood it. These are exception, means 4 exception is there for NF factor. Remaining no exception. How many number of hydrogen? That is the NF factor. First exception, sir, this is not the exception. 3 hydrogen coming 3 only. Yes, it is not the exception. Second example, H3PO3. If you will draw their structure, P double bond O, OH, OH and H. How many hydrogen is attached with oxygen? Only 2. So over here it has 3 hydrogen, but their NF factor is 2 only. So I have written this first example also not exception, but it is similar to this. So H3PO4 is not exception, but H3PO3, 3 hydrogen, still NF factor is 2. Third example is H3PO2, P double bond O, OH, H, H. What is the NF factor? Sir, 3 hydrogen, still NF factor is 1. Why 1? Because only 1 hydrogen is ionizable. So this is 3 example. One thing, H3BO3, 3 hydrogen, but their NF factor is 1 only. This is known as BOH whole thrice also. Looking like a base, but it is not base. Their name is boric acid. Their name you will learn. How, sir? This I will dictate you later. Don't get confused and nervous. Otherwise you will get confused. Acha, sir. After knowing the NF factor for acid, I have to know the amphiprotic species. What is amphiprotic species? Amphiprotic species are those species which accept as well as donate H plus. The species which can accept as well as donate H plus, both they can do. Suppose I have written HPO HSO4 1 minus. Does it will accept H plus? हाँ sir, accepting H plus, it will become H2SO4. Does it will donate H plus? हाँ sir, it will donate H plus, became SO4 2 minus. So this species is known as amphiprotic species. This species is known as amphiprotic species. I will write from now AMP. You understood it. Suppose I have taken HCO3 1 minus. Does it will donate H plus? हाँ sir, it will donate and became CO3 2 minus. Does it will accept H plus? हाँ sir, it will accept H plus and became H2CO3. So this is also a amphiprotic species. Now suppose I have taken Cl minus. Does it will accept H plus? हाँ sir, HCl. Does it will donate H plus? No hydrogen is there. How it will donate it? The no. So it is not amphiprotic species. Now why I have written exception? Suppose I will write H2PO3 1 minus. Does it will donate H plus? हाँ sir, it will donate H plus because H3PO3 has NF factor 2 and only 1 hydrogen you have removed. It can donate HPO3 2 minus and it can accept also H plus and became H3PO3. But I will write H2PO2 1 minus. Does it will accept? Yes sir, H3PO2. But does it will donate? Either it has a hydrogen, but it will donate. No sir, because H3PO2 has NF factor only 1. It can only 1 hydrogen it can donate. It cannot donate the other hydrogen. So it is not an amphiprotic species, but it is an amphiprotic species. Now one example has H3BO3. Now for H3BO3 I can remove 1 hydrogen and I will write H3BO3. Does it will accept H plus? हाँ sir, it will become H3BO3 1 minus is there. Suppose it will donate H plus. No sir, it will not donate H plus. Why? Because their NF factor is only 1. It can donate only 1 electron. It is not an amphiprotic species. So I have written that NF factor for acid. So you understood it. What is amphiprotic species? Those species which can donate H plus as well as accept H plus. Every acid you have to check and you have to find out which can donate and which can accept. I can't repeat it, otherwise it maybe you will get confused. So this is all about amphiprotic species. Last part of the topic is known as ambident nucleophile. Ambident nucleophile. Ambident nucleophile. Before knowing ambident nucleophile, you have to be familiar with one topic, and the name of the topic is called pseudo noble gas configuration. And then you have to know कि covalent character is directly proportional to pseudo noble gas configuration. Covalent character is directly proportional to pseudo noble gas configuration. What do you mean by that? Just wait. I will write 3 example only. क्यों आगे आऊं? Those who know electronic configuration, some basic concept of chemistry I have dictated. Whenever you will do the electronic configuration, at last I will do once. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d9 coming. But it is coming 4s2, 3d9. But it is not the correct electronic configuration. What I am doing? At the last I am doing 4s1 and 3d10. Similarly, 5s1, 4d10. Similarly, 6s1, 5d10. Original their electronic configuration is not 10, but at last it is coming 10, 10, 10. And 10 means D is fulfilled. D is fulfilled means looking like it is inert gas configuration, noble gas configuration coming. Noble gas is helium, neon, argon, krypton. They are D10 coming now, but originally they have D10. No, I have taken one electron from here to put it. So these things is known as pseudo noble gas configuration. And those who have pseudo noble gas configuration, they have more covalent character, and covalent bond will not break as an ionic bond. What do you mean by that? Suppose 3 ambident nucleophile. One is CN, one is NO2, one is SCN. If you will see these 3 structure, nitrogen has a lone pair. It has N double bond O, O minus. Oxygen has negative also. Nitrogen has lone pair also. SCN, it has lone pair. What happened? Whenever you will take KCN, it will break as K plus Cn minus, and it will attack from C side. If you will take KNO2, so KNO2 structure is N double bond O, O, K. On the minus, K will come, minus plus. It will break and it will attack from oxygen type. Suppose you have taken KSCN, it will break plus minus and it will attack from S minus side. Means ambident nucleophile are those nucleophile which has 2 donor site, but it will attack from only one site at a time. What do you mean by that? Not understood, sir. Means understood. If CuAgCN is there, suppose I will write AgCN. So what will happen? It will it has a covalent character more, so it will not break like as minus plus. It will not break like this. So what will happen? In this case, it will attack from lone pair side. But if Ag is not there, KCN is there, NaCN is there, anything, any metal, MgCN whole twice is there, any part, it will attack from C minus side. Similarly, if I will take AgNO2, it will attack from N lone pair side. Suppose AgSCN, it will attack from N lone pair side. Means if Cu is there, Ag is there, Au is there, then these 3 nucleophile will attack from nitrogen lone pair side, nitrogen lone pair side, nitrogen lone pair side. If Cu, Ag and Au is not there, like K, something is there, K, Na, Mg, so it will attack from oxygen negative side, sulfur negative side and carbon negative sides. So it has 2 attacking side, one place negative side, one place lone pair on nitrogen. So if it will attack from C minus side, whenever Ag, क्यों आगे आऊं, these 3 is not there, then it will attack from minus side. If copper, silver and gold is there, then if copper, silver and gold is there present, then it will attack from nitrogen lone pair side. So it has 2 donating side, but it will attack from only one. because either Ag is there or K is there or Na is there. So if Ag, copper and gold is there, then you will say it will attack from nitrogen side. If not there, then it will attack from carbon negative side. These types of nucleophile is known as ambident nucleophile, and in our syllabus only 3 ambident nucleophile. These 3 are the ambident nucleophile. If it is not attached with copper, silver and gold, then will attack from carbon negative side, oxygen negative side and sulfur negative side. If it is attached from copper, gold and silver, then it will attack from nitrogen lone pair, nitrogen lone pair and nitrogen lone pair. This is known as ambident nucleophile. So this is all about amphiprotic species, ambident nucleophile and amphoteric oxide, acidic oxide, basic oxide, and these are the very basic things. 90% of the student does not know about this. Within 25 minutes I have completed this. If any doubt, I have already given my number to everyone. Those who are watching it, those who have reached up to that, for them 9267937718. You can WhatsApp me here, don't call. If any doubt, I will dictate you again. No doubt. Enjoy the lecture. Bye. Have a nice day. Have a nice evening. Have a nice afternoon. Enjoy. Take care. Bye.